Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jen reading for Sagittarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it does not, you can book a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in deliberately. And if you want to find out more resonating messages, find out your rising, find out your moon, and then you'll be able to dive deep into the realm of astrology. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Sagittarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. Tell me what's up with beautiful Sagittarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. Yes. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Sagittarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Sagittarius Sun, Moon and Rising. Sagittarius, some of you, you have been single for a very long period of time, and some of you really explored yourself. Some of you have really been in the hermit mode for the longest time. Some of you have really, just understood yourself, understood your demons, understood your devils and your demons and your angels, and just like about everything about yourself, and you have finally decided that you're ready to commit to a person, to become a part of a beautiful relationship. And I do see that you're committed. You guys are committed to making it work. You guys are committed to doing all of the dirty work that requires for a human being to be in a relationship. So for some of you, I see that coming. So for some of you, I am seeing that you guys have really worked hard on your inner self, which is now manifesting in your outer life. And I can really see you becoming a part of a substantial relationship, a substantial equation with a person who wants it all with you, who wants to build with you, who wants, they want it all with you, like, kids, money, abundance. So I do, and like a lot of passion, a lot of good sex, and so I do see that a lot of you are now, maybe you guys have been involved with this person for a very long period of time, but you were not investing, you were not investing in them the way they were investing in you, or you were very reluctant about giving them that sort of a commitment, because you've always been scared. But I do see that you guys have really worked on yourself, and now you're ready to be persistent about the fact that you want to invest into this equation, because it's worth it, and also you have sorted yourself out on a lot of levels. I want to clarify why is Three of Pentacles here. Can you please clarify Three of Pentacles for me? Please clarify Three of Pentacles. Give me one more card and please clarify Three of Pentacles. So yes, Sagittarius, I do see that for a very long period of time, I do see that you guys were at war with yourself. For the longest time, you guys haven't been sure of your own emotions. You are one of those, I mean, whoever this reading is resonating with, Sagittarius, I do see that, you've always been pretty much sure of what, of the other human being's feelings for you. You've been pretty much sure that this person is invested in you, and this person can really offer you the right kind of commitment. But as far as your own emotions are concerned, you've always been very dicey about them, and some of you have always been at a place where you have certainly played games, where you certainly stayed involved with other people consistently. I do see that, okay, again, this is the Scorpio season, guys. I mean, November is the time when we really transform, when we really transform, and we really, shed the old skin. We really shed whatever is not serving us, and I do see that's happening to you guys. Y'all are ready to move forward with the person that you either, you've been seeing this person, or this person has been a part of your life for a very long period of time. You're really ready to move forward with this equation. and you have really internally decided that no more mind games, you're not going to get involved with other people. And and also the fact that you were getting involved with other people for your own insecurities, because somewhere or the other, when we are not investing 100% in a human being, the core of it is that we are scared of getting cheated on, we are scared of getting hurt, so we build this sort of a wall around ourselves, wherein, okay, if you cheat on me, I'm going to be okay, because I'm already invested in other people, so it's going to hurt lesser. So I do see that a lot of you were coming from that school of thought, but now you're not that person anymore. This person has consistently invested in you, and this person has sort of really built that trust, wherein now you can rely on them, and now you can finally 100% invest in them. So kudos, guys, very good job. I'm really liking this energy for you guys, and I do see a beautiful future that you guys are going to be becoming a part of. If this reading is resonating with you, Sagittarius, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person, my Sagittarius, I'm not rising dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person, my Sagittarius, I'm not rising dealing with. Give me one more card and dive deep into the emotion of the person. Sagittarius, I do see that the person that you guys are dealing with definitely wants a fresh new start, a new beginning with you. Whether this relationship has been, going on for a very long period of time, or or this is a new person or whatever. In whatever case, I do see that you know there is a certain kind of change coming in into your equation, and this person is bringing that in. First of all, I do see that somewhere or the other this person feels, and this person has been aware of the fact that you were not as invested in this equation as they were. So I do see that they have been pretty restless, and I do see that they have been pretty much worried about this one factor, and somewhere or the other, at the bottom, they have felt that this equation, may not work well, but just beneath that worry lies a lot of emotion, lies a lot of passion, lies a lot of dreams, a lot of wishes, a will to really, really work things out with you, to offer it all to you, to live every moment with you. And this person is, since you are now ready to provide them with that sort of security that they always wanted, I do see that somewhere or the other this person is also working their insecurities out. They now have realized that your emotions for them are genuine. Maybe you must have had a communication with them, or you must have told them that you want to move forward with them in that direction. So I do see that this person is also coming out of their insecurities, and this person is also really, really thinking about settling down with you, and really, really trying to get rid of the thought where they had once thought that this equation may not work out, or this equation may be disharmonious. However, I still want to clarify, why is the tower here? Can you please clarify the tower for me? Please clarify the tower. Please clarify the tower. Yes, Sagittarius. See, I clearly see that for the longest time, this person has thought that, that their emotions were, they were, in this equation, their emotions were much, much bigger, and that you were not really, contributing the way they expected them to. And maybe, that's why for the longest time, somewhere or the other, they have also not invested as much as they would have if your actions and if your demeanor would have had been right, and somewhere or the other they have protected their heart. Somewhere or the other, if they were capable of giving you 200%, they only kept it to 90, because they could just see that amount of investment coming from you. However, now I do see that that's going to change. I see that this person is really prepping up, and they're not going to be guarded anymore. Because maybe you have given that kind of assurance to them. I want to clarify why is Four of Swords in reverse. Can you please clarify why is Four of Swords in reverse? Just that one, please. Give me one more card and please clarify this. Some of you could be dealing with a Leo, some of you could be dealing with a Taurus, could be a Capricorn. Another Sagittarius or Aries, could be any sign as far as elements go. I do see I do see Sagittarius, that this person is just now really mustering up the courage to ask you out to marry them. This person is really ready for it. This person has been thinking about it obsessively, and there's King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles energy over here. So I do see that, in their mind and in their heart, they know that you are their person. They are just very much aware that they want it all with you. They want to settle down with you. They want to celebrate with you. And they're also very much happy that finally you are really, giving them the kind of assurance and the kind of warmth that they always needed, and now they're all the more thrilled. I do see this person was always very much committed about the idea of you and of being with you, but since your demeanor has recently been really, really great towards them, they're all the more sure. So I do see that this person is very much ready to offer it all to you, and that's what their feelings are. Even though maybe, underneath the surface, they could still be a little scared, which I'm sure that you guys will be able to handle. But yes, I do see that this relationship is hitting the most beautiful destination. If this reading is resonating with you, Sagittarius, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. I am finding out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. Please give me the outcome. I'm hearing passionately committed. I do see one conversation which is going to happen, or some action of theirs is going to tell you that they just don't want you to be passionate about them. They want you to be passionately committed to them. They're going to let you know, since Sagittarius, I do see that your person really sees you as somebody whose attention is all over the place. This person is going to let you know that you need to really make me the center of your world. And this person is going to let let you know this in a very, very honest fashion. That I Sagittarius, I do feel that your attention is all over the place, and you're focused on your money, you're focused on your passions, you're focused on other people. I want you to commit to me in a conventional way. I don't want you to look around. I don't want you to seek other options. I don't want you to be lost. I don't want you to be confused. I want you to really 200% commit to this equation. I want us to work, and I will do what it takes to make this work. So I do see that sort of an emotion coming in. I want to clarify why is a Hierophant here. Please clarify the Hierophant. Please clarify the Hierophant. Please clarify the Hierophant. Yes, Ajay, see, I do see that, this is what this person is going to tell you, this is what it's going to happen, that, maybe this is your realization, or this is what this your person's demand is out of this relationship. This person has always sort of felt that this equation has had no direction, and, you've always contributed to this relationship as per your wish. Like, sometimes you were like invested, sometimes you were focused on your other things. Sometimes you didn't give a shit about this person. So I do see that maybe this equation is pretty old, but it's going to change in a way that it's going to seem new. Because there's a lot that is, since you have, since your innate personality has changed, there's a lot that's going to change in this equation, and it's going to become like a really committed one. It's a great reading, Sagittarius. I loved it for you guys. I'm really, really thrilled for you to have it all. I hope it resonated. Let me know in the comments section, and I will see you guys next week.